The spoon-billed sandpiper, Calidris pygmaea, is a small, critically endangered shorebird recognized by its distinctive spoon-shaped bill. This unique feature helps it scoop up small invertebrates from mudflats and shallow waters. The species breeds in the coastal tundra of northeastern Russia and undertakes a long migration to Southeast Asia for the winter. The spoon-billed sandpiper's population has plummeted, with fewer than 500 individuals remaining in the wild. This decline is primarily due to habitat loss from coastal development, climate change, and human disturbances along their migratory routes and wintering grounds. Additionally, the degradation of stopover sites crucial for their long migrations has exacerbated their vulnerability. Conservation efforts are in full swing, including habitat protection, international cooperation to safeguard migratory stopover sites, and captive breeding programs